if you want to make these certain panels, the 4 panels, top 2 and side ones go on and off, you can use a shortcut key, the function keys. It's function 5 takes care of the removing the top bar if you toggle it on or you toggle it off. Function 6 is the bottom bar, function 7 is the left, function 8 is the right. If you want to quickly clear the 2 panels on the sides, if you hit the tab key, you get rid of those, and the tab key brings them back. If you want to clear everything, if you do shift tab, and the other way to control these things, if you go to the top bar, just under your menu bar here, there's these disclosure triangles, and you can make your panels appear or disappear. And if you right click on them, on that triangle, wait a minute. Yeah, if you right click on it, you get this option. You can auto show and hide, auto hide, or do manual. I usually put it on manual because I find this auto drives me crazy, because I move over to the side to look at an image or make an adjustment, and I moved a little too far and it kicks the panel over or closes it or whatever. So I have those generally set to manual. So that's the other way of individually moving the panels, but I prefer the shortcut keys because it's just a little bit faster. So to open the one on the right, if I do shift, it's not shift, function F8 rather, and you get that. And usually to get everything back, if you toggle through shift tab a couple of times, you'll have all 4 top, bottom, left, and right panels, and your menu bar on the top. So what Anthony was asking me is he can't see everything down here on the toolbar, at the bottom of the toolbar. And depending on your screen resolution, you may have a shorter toolbar that you're looking at. And there are a couple of ways to deal with it. One is to make your panels, your side panels, skinnier. So if you move to a side panel, you see a change to the adjustable arrow, and you click on it and you drag it and you make it as small as it can go. Right? You do that on either side. That should help you get a little space. Right? And if you do the drop down and you see it's checked, but you're not actually seeing it down here at the bottom, it just may mean that you don't have enough room, enough resolution. So you might have to be more selective about what you put on there.